Hello, do you know what an antonym is? Let's find out. What is an antonym? An antonym is a word that has the opposite meaning of another word. For example, the opposite of generous is selfish. Generous means to give willingly. Selfish means to keep everything for yourself. That is why selfish is the antonym or opposite of generous. Here are more examples. Inadequate is the antonym or opposite of sufficient. Small is the opposite of enormous. Easy is the antonym for difficult. A thesaurus is a book of synonyms that also lists antonyms. To find another word that is the opposite of a word that you are looking up, use a thesaurus or dictionary. What is the antonym or opposite of reliable? Well, let's take a look at an example of how to find it in a thesaurus in the next slide. Okay, so here is a shot of dictionary.com and we're using the thesaurus. When you type in the word reliable at the very top, it will give you synonyms. But if you scroll to the bottom of the page, it will show you antonyms right under the synonyms. So here is a list of possible words that are antonyms for reliable. Bad, broken, corrupt, dishonest. There are a lot of words there. So you need to find the word out of all of the words in this list that means the thing that you are trying to say. Are you trying to say that somebody is untrustworthy? Are you trying to say that somebody is not dependable? Then depending on what you're trying to say, that will determine which one of these words you choose. Remember to choose the best word that fits the meaning of your sentence. Let's look at some examples of antonyms. 1. Seize the suspect. Which is the opposite of seize? Is it grab, grip, or release? It is C, release. Release is the opposite or antonym for seize. Number 2. A big promotion. Is the opposite A, demotion, B, upgrade, or C, advancement? The answer is A, demotion, is the opposite of promotion. Therefore, demotion is the antonym for promotion. Number 3, interesting speaker. Is the opposite charming, boring, or knowledgeable? The answer is B, boring is the opposite or antonym for interesting. Number 4, humid weather. Is the opposite of humid windy, warm, or dry? Yes, the answer is C, dry. Humid means to have some moisture in the air. Dry means to have no moisture in the air. Therefore, dry is the antonym for humid because it is the opposite of humid. Got it? Okay, let's take a look at more examples. Master of the castle. Is the opposite of master owner, tenant, or servant? The answer is C. Servant is the opposite of master. Number 6, genuine leather. Is the opposite of genuine fake, real, or natural? Yes, the answer is A, fake, which is the antonym or opposite of genuine. Number 7, mark the answer. Is the opposite of mark write, erase, or draw? The answer is B, erase, which is the opposite of mark. In this example, mark means to write, and the opposite of to write is erase. Number 8, general information. Is the opposite of general unlimited, common, or specific? The answer is C, specific, which is the opposite or antonym for general. Number 9, former president. Is the opposite of former current, previous, or deceased? The opposite of former is current. Number 10, faulty brakes. Is the opposite of faulty flawed, unfit, or functioning? The answer is C, functioning. Faulty means something is wrong with the brakes and they don't work. So the opposite of faulty and not working is functioning. Okay, in summary, antonyms have the opposite meaning of another word. Use a thesaurus to find antonyms. Use dictionary.com online to find antonyms. Be careful to choose the word that is different or opposite in meaning. Remember, antonym means you are finding the opposite of the word that you are looking for. Okay, hopefully this presentation has been helpful to you. You want to head on over to the website, www.arhampton.com. We've got so many resources to help you improve your writing and to understand what your instructors want as far as grammar, essay writing, and your writing skills. We have online classes to help you. Just go to arhampton.com and click Students to see how you can join these classes and get help on your writing. Do you need even more practice? We have very affordable books on student success grammar skills and also adult learner grammar essentials. Remember, good writing starts with good grammar. You have to know grammar in order to write well and in order to write quickly. So head to the website, www.arhampton.com, click books, and get your copies today. All right, thank you so much for watching and happy learning.